So the vision of the Met Office is to be recognised as global leaders in weather and climate science and services in a changing world. And just at the moment, both weather and climate change are really high on the agenda. So the demand for these services is very, very high at the moment. But at the same time, the world is, of course, changing massively. What we can do with the science is evolving. The specific questions of the services is changing. And what is also changing is the technology. There's this whole background of change which is driving the research and innovation strategy. So today we launched the new research and innovation strategy for the Met Office. This is our ambitions and aims for the next 10 years in different activities across the science programme, across the technology programme and across the operations programme. We've had fantastic contributions from staff, and it's really the result of a huge amount of work from across Met Office. The strategy starts by describing 3 reasons that we do research and innovation at the Met Office. And the first, and this is the reason that we work at the Met Office, is we want our science and innovation to feed into improved services to our sponsors and to the general public. The second reason we do research here at the Met Office is that weather and climate is big science, and so we need big computers. And one of the responsibilities of the Met Office is to look after and develop and improve that capability. And final reason that we do research at the Met Office is really any new services need new blue skies research. So we need to do pioneering research to make sure we're delivering the services that society is now demanding. The demand for services from the Met Office is constantly evolving, so translating weather forecasts into impacts is something we really need to prepare for. So there's a whole bunch of drivers that mean we need to get better forecasts and new applications of forecasts. There are 3 elements that we're really driving forward. So the first element that we're really pushing at the moment is to re-engineer the software that we use to forecast the weather and project the climate. A second high priority is to use the emerging field of data sciences to help with everything we do here at the Met Office. So this is using machine learning and artificial intelligence, for example, in doing quality control of the observations we use to start the weather forecasts. And then the third area is partnerships. And so we're really looking to see what partnerships we might need to deliver the strategy. We're seeing climate change go higher and higher up the agenda at the moment. So what are the trade-offs we might need to make? How quickly can we get to net zero? What is the potential for renewables to contributing to our energy needs? But at the same time, also giving a picture of what weather systems might look like in these future climates. Through the research and innovation strategy, we can see a pathway to take fundamental science that will improve our observations and our models of weather and climate forecasts and actually develop new services that are really going to make a difference. And I find that really inspiring. If we can deliver this research and innovation strategy, we will have delivered better weather forecasts. Those forecasts will be more tailored to help decision making. We will have a clearer view on what the weather will look like in future climates, and we'll have a much clearer picture of how we can transition to a net zero economy and mitigate and stabilise the climate to a safe level.